This rain of miracles is falling on you today.
Come on here. Jesus Christ.
If the clouds be full of rain, they empty themselves upon the earth as rain of increase, rain of healing,
He's blessing someone today.
rain of deliverance, rain of celebration
I've got you over me.
and restoration,
The rain of healing.
rain of testimonies, manifesting the resurrected power of Christ.
The rain of favor is falling on you today.
All happening at the Reign of Miracles Crusade with Apostle Innocent Edoh, Fire, in Toronto, Canada, from Friday 23rd to Sunday 25th of February 2018.
It's going to be a special time with the Holy Ghost.
There will be healing and there will be miracles, signs and wonders. Whatever the sickness that you have been carrying, come for this program. The Lord will heal you mightily.
Venue, Toronto Plaza Hotel, 1677 Wilson Avenue, Toronto, Canada. Date, Friday 23rd of February at 5:30 p.m. Saturday 24th of February at 5:30 p.m. And of course Sunday the 25th of February at 4 p.m. For more information, please call +1647 550 7324 or +1647 704 9111 or +39 388 657 0620 or visit www.camnation.org or www.gnntv.org. God bless you.